Hello everyone, let's understand why multiple JSON objects is not supported for the SOAP URL in web services server component. So Boomi multiple JSON object settings under the web services server operation component is supported only for the REST APIs, not for the SOAP, due to the format differences, structural requirements, and visual schema constraints. So, the first key incompatibility data format, REST support JSON, but SOAP requires XML only. So, multiple JSON objects produces, for example, like we can see on the screen, we have the users under the array, and which is not the same format is not acceptable under the SOAP services. Key incompatibility to root element is required in SOAP. So SOAP requires a single root element in XML response, whereas JSON arrays lack a single wrapper. So JSON array invalid for SOAP and must be wrapped with the root element. So key incompatibility 3, WSDL schema binding. SOAP services uses WSDL to define data contracts, and JSON responses do not comply with uh, WSDL schema. So WSDL expects the root element for the data, and JSON array would break schema validation. So REST versus SOAP example. We can see in the REST we have the JSON data versus the SOAP XML data, where we have the root element as users that is expected for the SOAP. Recommendations: use multiple JSON objects only in REST API configuration, whereas for SOAP, the structure the response as XML with root wrapping is required. Validate against WSDL to prevent deployment issues. Therefore, the multiple JSON object setting works only for the REST, not for the SOAP APIs. Therefore, it is not supported in the web services server operation component. So, return XML with root element and ensure response structure follows the WSDL schema. Hope this information is helpful. Thank you.